Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss about our topic in English 3 Quarter 1 Week 5 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Common Expressions and Polite Greetings. Before we start, here is our learning competency. Use common expressions and polite greetings appropriate to a given situation. And for our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify common expressions and polite greetings, use common expressions and polite greetings appropriate to a given situation, and participate actively in class. Now, look at the pictures below. Then give the similarity of each picture to complete the correct word. Let's arrange the jumbled letters to find out the first hidden word about the pictures. Are you ready? Let's start. Good job! The first word is polite. How about the second word about the picture? What do you think is the second word? Awesome! The correct answer is greetings. Now, this is our topic for today. It's about common expressions and polite greetings. What are common expressions and polite greetings? These are phrases used to show respect, friendliness, and goodwill when interacting with others. What are common expressions? We have formal common expressions such as good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how do you do. We also have the informal common expressions such as hi, hello, hey, how's it going, and what's up. We also have responding to greetings as common expressions. Say for example, if they say good morning, you can reply good morning. If they say good afternoon, you can reply good afternoon. If they say good evening, you can reply good evening. If they say hi, you can reply hello. If they say hello, you can reply it as hi. If they say how do you do, you can reply I'm fine, thank you. And other common expressions such as good to see you, long time no see, it's been a while. Now let's move on to polite greetings. If we ask for a request, we can use the words please, may I, could you, or would you mind. If you want to say an apology, we can use I'm sorry, excuse me, pardon me, or please forgive me. And if we want to give gratitude, we can say thank you, thanks, you're welcome, I appreciate it. If we want to offer help, we can say, may I help you? Or can I help you? And if we use leave takings, we can say goodbye, see you later, have a good day. What are the importance of common expressions and polite greetings? The first importance of using common expressions and polite greetings is respect. Showing respect to others regardless of their social status or relationship to you. Second, friendliness. Building rapport and positive relationships with others. Number three, positive interactions. Setting a positive tone for conversations and interactions. Now, let's move on to the application. Let's read the directions. Match the common expressions and polite greetings in column A to the correct situation in column B. Are you ready? Great! You have 5 minutes to do that. Now, let's answer. I'm sorry. Which situation from column B are we going to use the word I'm sorry? Very good. It's for apologizing, letter A. How about thank you? Awesome. It's letter E, expressing gratitude. How about goodbye? Great job. It's letter D, ending interactions. How about number 4? May I help you? Correct. It's letter C, offering help. And for number 5, excuse me. Awesome. It's letter B, about to pass by. This time, let's move on to generalization. Let's answer this question. What do you mean by common expressions and polite greetings? Very good. These are phrases used to show respect, friendliness, and goodwill when interacting with others. Can you give examples of common expressions and polite greetings? Very good. And for our last question, why do we need to study these common expressions and polite greetings? Great job! First, to show respect to others, regardless of their social status or relationship to you. Second, to build rapport and positive relationships with others. And third, to set a positive tone for conversations and interactions. This time, let's move on to the evaluation. Let's read the directions first. Read and understand the following statements. Then choose the letter of the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. You have 5 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. These are phrases used to show respect, friendliness, and goodwill when interacting with others. A. Common expressions. B. Polite greetings. C. A and B. D. None of the above. Number 2. It is early in the morning and you are going to greet your teacher. Which of the following common expressions and polite greetings are you going to use? A. Good morning. B. Good afternoon. C. Good evening. D. Goodbye. Number 3. You received a gift from your aunt. Which of the following common expressions and polite greetings are you going to say to her? A. Hello. B. Goodbye. C. Thank you. D. You're welcome. Number 4. Janus wants to express his apology to his mother. What common expressions and polite greetings will he say to his mother? A. I'm sorry. B. Thank you. C. Excuse me. D. You're welcome. And number 5. What is the importance of common expressions and polite greetings? A. To show respect. B. To help maintain positive relationships. C. To help create a more effective communication. D. All of the above. Now, let's answer. The correct answer in number 1 is letter C, A and B. The correct answer in number 2 is letter A, good morning. The correct answer in number 3 is letter C, thank you. The correct answer in number 4 is letter A, I'm sorry. The correct answer in number 5 is letter D, all of the above. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3, Quarter 1, Week 5 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Common Expressions and Polite Greetings.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.